As you can see in this video, we are going to set the solar light inside the house. As you can see in this video, we need to run the wire outside to connect it to the solar panel. We choose the solar panel energy because it is renewable energy and reduces electricity bills, low maintenance costs, environmentally friendly, energy independence, increased property value, government incentives, and scalability. In this video, we're going to tell you the disadvantage of solar panels. It is high initial cost, weather dependent, energy storage is expensive, requires space, lower efficiency, not always suitable for all locations, aesthetic concerns, environmental impact of production. Common uses of solar panels: residential power supply, solar-powered street lighting, portable solar devices, agricultural use, space application, and emergency backup.